Hello, and welcome back to my channel. I am Mr. D, and today we will make a turkey named Tom, for obvious reasons, using polymer clay. First we will start by forming the body. I don't have a lot of experience with polymer clay, so everything I am creating here is completely made up to the best of my guessing brain. Next, we will work on Tom's head and make sure it is secured using a piece of wire. A little flat piece of clay around his neck to blend it all together, and it is done. Next, the beak for Tom so he can eat like any other bird, and the gobble. Let's not forget the eyes, and the head is complete. Now let's move on to the arms. Very straightforward on that, and some finger looking indents on the clay, and it is done. Let's move on the legs. Tom has 2 legs, so I will just repeat the process twice and add some really big feet, and let's see if stay up. Now for the tail feathers, I really don't know how to deal with that, so the easiest and faster the better. Hopefully I can make it more interesting with paint. And now, for painting. I will use brown for the body, orange for the feet and beak, and red for the gobble. The tail feather is combination of whatever colors are left, and I hope you will not pay too much attention to it. That is it, folks. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing to my channel for more content on just about anything and everything I teach in the classroom. Thanks, and until next time.